two projects. In this video, we are going to see predicting the growth and trend of COVID-19 in UK. Introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic has significantly impacted global economies, leading to a need for economic forecasting. This project uses machine learning to predict the UK's GDP growth trajectory, utilizing historical data and advanced algorithms. This information helps policymakers, analysts, and stakeholders navigate complex challenges and mitigate the crisis' economic implications. Objective of the project. The objective of this project is to use machine learning algorithms to forecast how COVID-19 will affect the UK's GDP growth. The project aims to forecast the nation's growth for the year 2021 by training a model on historical GDP data from 1955 to 2020. The project aims to provide insights into the possible effects of COVID-19 on the UK economy, aiding in informed decision making and strategic planning through data pre-processing and model training. Requirements. These are the requirements needed to execute this project. Hardware requirements: operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4GB and above, hard disk of 20GB and above. Software requirements needed are Python IDE of Python 3.7 version. To execute this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is Upload UK Growth Dataset. In this module, we will provide the functionality to upload the historical UK GDP dataset. This dataset contains GDP values spanning from 1955 to 2020. The second module is Pre-processed Dataset. Within this module, we will process the uploaded dataset. We'll perform data cleaning, handle missing values, and transform the data into a suitable format for analysis. The dataset will be organized into a time series format, which is essential for predicting future GDP growth. The third module is Machine Learning Growth Prediction Model. This module involves the training of a machine learning model using the pre-processed dataset. We will employ advanced algorithms to analyze the historical GDP data, learn patterns, and establish relationships. The trained model will then serve as the foundation for predicting future GDP growth. The next module is Predict UK 4 Quarters Growth. In this module, we will apply the trained machine learning model to forecast GDP growth for the upcoming 4 quarters of the year 2021. The model will take into account various factors including the impact of COVID-19 to generate predictions for each quarter. The last module is Predicted Graph. Within this module, we will visualize the predicted GDP growth using a graphical representation. A graph will be generated with the x-axis representing the 4 quarters and the y-axis showing the predicted growth values. This visual depiction will provide a clear understanding of the projected economic trajectory. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the dataset folder in which I have UK GDP dataset, and we have UK GDP values in billion dollars from 1955 to 2020, and we will use this dataset to train machine learning model, and then this model can be used to predict growth for 2021 4 quarters. In this dataset, we can see each year has 4 quarters of GDP. Close this dataset, and this is the Python main code file, and this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the project in command line interface, we have created this Windows batch file. Double click on run.bat file. This graphical user interface will be opened. With this, we are interacting with the program. We have used Tkinter library to create this graphical user interface. Now click on Upload UK Growth Dataset button. A dialog box opens. Select the dataset and click on Select Open. So, in the text area, we can see a confirmation that dataset is loaded. Now click on Pre-processed Dataset button. So after pre-processing, the total dataset size is 263, and this total dataset is further split into train and test sets in the ratio of 80:20, and now train set includes 259 records and test set includes 4 records. Now click on Machine Learning Growth Prediction Model button. So we can see Machine Learning Growth Prediction Model generated. See black console for model details. So In this console, we can see ML model is generating, and we can see to build model application is taking iterations or epochs, and with each increasing epoch, model loss is reducing, which means efficient prediction model is building. Now click on Predict UK 4 quarters growth button. So here we can see in the first quarter of 2021, there was a slight increase in GDP growth, likely attributed to the relaxation of lockdown measures. However, as the second wave of COVID-19 hit, the model predicts a decline in GDP for the following 3 quarters. Now click on Predicted Graph button. So in this graph on x-axis I have the 4 quarters from 0 to 3, and on y-axis I have predicted growth, and we can see UK will see downfall in GDP growth for next 3 quarters. Close this graph and now click on Exit to exit from this window. And the conclusion here is, this project demonstrates the effectiveness of machine learning in predicting the complex dynamics of GDP growth in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic. The model's precise forecasts highlight how useful a tool it could be for strategic planning and making informed decisions. This project contributes to a deeper understanding of economic resilience as the world navigates the changing landscape of global health crisis, directing stakeholders toward practical solutions to lessen the effects and promote sustainable recovery.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.